amount of water we need to excrete a day is 500 millilitres. Urinary volume in excess of this is controlled by ADH, which is filtered in the kidneys. The kidney is responsible for the regulation of water. Water comes from ingested foods and small amounts of cellular metabolism. Kidneys remove waste products by filtering ions and urea into tubules, and then some water is selectively reabsorbed. Fun fact, 90% of filtered water is reabsorbed into circulation. In nephrons, water is filtered and then passes out of the loop of Henle into distant tubercles and collecting ducts, where membranes become permeable and water is reabsorbed. Receptors in the hypothalamus stimulate the posterior pituitary gland to produce ADH. ADH works by causing insertion of water channels into membranes of cells and ducts, allowing water absorption to occur through osmosis. If ADH was to disappear, the kidneys won't be able to absorb water and you would have very diluted urine. Basically, presence of ADH increases absorption and more concentrated urine.
The production of ADH is controlled in three ways. Receptors in the hypothalamus are sensitive to detecting the plasma concentration in blood. If this becomes too high, ADH is stimulated.
When stretch receptors in the atria of the heart are stimulated, they produce ANP. This travels to the kidneys where it reduces reabsorption of sodium in water, meaning there is higher levels in urine. Therefore, it lowers blood volume and reduces atrial stretch. Raised ANP inhibits ADH. Lastly, by stretch receptors in the aorta and carotid arteries, when stimulated by falling blood pressure, this stimulates ADH to maintain enough volume to generate blood pressure around the body. Basically, in simple words, ADH causes tubercles to become permeable to water, increasing absorption, meaning more water is retained in the blood, producing less urine. Absence of ADH forms dilute urine. Presence of ADH forms high concentration urine. If it's too concentrated, ADH is released. Control of ADH is a negative feedback loop.
Not so fun fact, people can have issues with regulation called diabetes insipidus, which is the inability to concentrate urine. There are two types, central diabetes insipidus or nephrogenic diabetes insipidus.